cloud computing, it can be a fairly nebulous thing. I think the first thing that anyone's got to do is actually try and say, what do we mean by cloud? And of course, the two major flavors of cloud computing are infrastructure as a service, things like Amazon EC2, and software as a service where people are consuming business applications that are serviced in a multi-tenant fashion out from the internet. I think the most interesting piece for me is that piece, is the software as a service. Enterprises in the past would be running major projects to implement software for service desk systems, for CRM systems, and some of these projects would fail. SaaS allows organizations the opportunity to enable these systems in a turnkey fashion, consume them in a demand-based fashion, much lower risk for OPEX, not CAPEX, so no capital expenditure. It's a really easy way for enterprises to gain access to complex applications and services. People often use security as a reason for not deploying cloud-based technologies. I would actually disagree. I disagree for several reasons. The first one really is that there's nothing new about securing the cloud. It's all of the old problems in a new context, and it makes people actually sit up and realize that they do have to practice host-based security, application-level security, and not just hide behind that crunchy perimeter of the firewall. The second thing is that cloud providers, the sort of freakonomics of it, they live or die on being successful in front of the public and in front of the customers. If a cloud service provider has an outage or a security breach, everybody knows about it, their business is directly impacted, and that runs through their entire organization, so they are security focused, and it's often the case that enterprises are more secure by consuming cloud services than the reliance upon their own internal security teams, because the cloud provider has a real business justification for being secure, and they push that down through the organization.